This is a tour of my toolboxes. It's Harbor Freight toolbox, Craftsman toolbox, some chargers, Milwaukee, and Craftsman charger. Charger for my light stick. It's got some 1/2-inch impact sockets, magnetic trays, magnetic tool, multimeter, helping hands, notepad to write down notes, little micro torch, pretty helpful on soldering. Soldering equipment, stone, pretty helpful to sharpen things, manuals, brushes, miscellaneous tools, soldering, pencil torch soldering, razor blades, gasket scraper, clip tool, windshield sticker removal tool, razor blades, RTV, mirrors, telescoping mirrors, lights, work light, cordless, knives. This is very helpful when removing when cutting wires. This makes it so quick. Craftsman knife. Pliers, adjustable, needle nose, snips. These are very helpful right here. These crescent needle noses. Small pliers, locking pliers, micro picks, great for getting into like very hard to reach areas, removing gaskets. Stronger picks, these are Harbor Freight. These are very good, strong, magnetic too. This is a to remove water hoses. 3/8 impact sockets with this adjustable piece. Oh, this is so helpful. And then 3/8 sockets to use with the ratchet. Some Harbor Freight screwdrivers, tape, hex sockets, 1/4 inch. This is a quick drawer that I use pretty often. Wrenches. These are Crafts gear wrenches from Sears. It's like $50 for this whole pair. Extremely helpful. It's lifetime warranty on these. These are some gear wrench long wrenches. I have a whole set. It's on the bottom. Adjustable gear wrenches. Flex gear wrenches. Very helpful too. I cleaned this drawer out. There's a lot of impact adjustables. I forgot their names. Some extensions, wobble extensions, 1/2-inch, 3/8. Some pliers. Breaker. What the hell are these called? I forgot the name. Breaker bar. Very long extension to get a crank pulley out. Wobble extensions. Flex extensions. This is my 3/8 torque wrench. Very helpful. Crow's feet. Drill set. This is an AC tool. Power probe wire. Power probe 3 and some electrical components. This is my Milwaukee M18 fuel, half-inch, extremely strong, extremely helpful. It can get literally every single bolt out. 3/8 impact Milwaukee fuel as well, very helpful. Drill. I don't use this anymore. This was a C3 Craftsman. And then things that I don't really use, I have some other wrenches in here. A whole set of gear wrench, metric and standard. Heat gun, a Honda tool, big socket, gaskets, gasket sheets that you can cut up. This is my set right here, my quick set that I used to go. This is my my impact set, my 3/8 right here. Click this button, turns on my chargers. It's my first set that I had, just miscellaneous stuff all over here. I don't work on cars that much, just when I need to fix something. Air compressor tools. Miscellaneous. Markers. Tires. Glue gun. Miscellaneous. Wrenches, screwdrivers, Torx. This is a drawer I need to fill up. Stubby wrenches, Snap-on 1/4 inch. Cleaners, I need to use this this tray for something else. Hammers, files, torque wrench, C-clamp, brake tools. My Nova code reader. Other miscellaneous, and then this is like my car cleaning, paint removing stuff. Bunch of compounds and just other miscellaneous stuff. It's my creeper and my seat. Thanks.